Amazon, one of the world's largest and most innovative technology companies, operates at a scale that few can match. With its sprawling e-commerce platform, cloud services, and AI-driven products like Alexa, many people wonder, is Amazon written in Python? The short answer is partially yes. Python is a significant part of Amazon's technology stack, but the company's massive operations rely on a wide array of programming languages, tools, and technologies. In this article, we'll explore how Python fits into Amazon's infrastructure, why it's such a critical language for the company, and what this means for aspiring developers. Amazon is a technological powerhouse. From its retail platform and warehouses to AWS, Amazon Web Services, Alexa, and beyond, the company relies on a diverse set of technologies to function efficiently. Each component of Amazon's operations has unique requirements, which means different languages and tools are used where they fit best. Python is one of these languages, valued for its versatility, simplicity, and vast ecosystem. To answer whether Amazon is written in Python, we need to understand the specific areas where Python is used and why. Why Amazon uses Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages globally, and its strengths align closely with Amazon's needs. Here are the key reasons Python is so widely used at Amazon. Number 1. Simplicity and developer. Productivity. Amazon operates at a breakneck pace, requiring quick iteration and development cycles. Python's simple syntax allows developers to write clean, maintainable code rapidly. This is critical for prototyping, building internal tools, and solving complex problems with minimal overhead. For example, when creating automation scripts or data analysis tools, Python enables developers to focus on solving problems rather than managing boilerplate code. Its beginner-friendly design also makes it easier for teams with varying levels of programming experience to collaborate effectively. Number 2. Versatility. Python is known for its ability to adapt to different tasks. At Amazon, this versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from managing server infrastructure to building customer-facing AI systems. Whether it's scripting, data processing, or machine learning, Python provides the tools needed to handle diverse challenges. Number 3. Extensive libraries and frameworks. One of Python's greatest strengths is its ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Amazon engineers leverage these tools to accelerate development and reduce the need to build solutions from scratch. For example, NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning and AI applications, Boto 3 for managing AWS services programmatically. These libraries save time and effort, enabling Amazon's teams to focus on innovation. While Amazon isn't entirely written in Python, the language is integral to many aspects of its operations. Let's take a closer look at where Python is used within Amazon. Number 1. Back-end services. Python plays a significant role in Amazon's back-end systems, particularly for smaller services and applications that don't require the raw performance of languages like C++ or Java. Python's speed of development and flexibility make it ideal for prototyping and building microservices, creating APIs that connect different parts of Amazon's infrastructure, handling tasks that require quick development cycles rather than maximum computational efficiency. Number 2. Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS, Amazon's cloud computing platform, is one of the company's most significant ventures. Python is deeply integrated into AWS, both as a tool for internal operations and as a language supported for customers. Internal use. Python is used within AWS to develop, automate, and monitor its cloud services. Engineers write Python scripts to manage infrastructure, analyze logs, and ensure the smooth functioning of servers. Customer use. AWS offers a Python software development kit, SDK, called Boto 3, which allows developers to interact with AWS services programmatically. Customers can use Python to launch and manage EC2 instances, work with S3 storage, automate workflows using AWS Lambda. Python's compatibility with AWS makes it an essential language for both Amazon's teams and its customers. Number 3, machine learning and AI. Python is the backbone of Amazon's machine learning and AI efforts. The company uses Python to develop and deploy AI models across various products and services, including Amazon SageMaker, a machine learning service that helps developers build, train, and deploy models. Python is the primary language used for SageMaker's APIs and integrations. Personalized recommendations. Amazon's famous recommendation system, which analyzes customer behavior to suggest products, relies heavily on Python-based machine learning algorithms. Alexa. Python powers parts of the natural language processing (NLP) models that enable Alexa to understand and respond to user commands. The vast array of Python libraries for AI and machine learning, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, makes it a natural choice for these advanced applications. Number 4. Automation and scripting. Given Amazon's scale, automation is critical to managing its operations efficiently. Python is widely used to write scripts that automate repetitive tasks, such as warehouse logistics and inventory tracking, system monitoring and performance analysis, generating reports and alerts for managers. Python's simplicity and integration with tools like Selenium for browser automation and Beautiful Soup for web scraping make it ideal for these purposes. Number 5. Internal tools and dashboards. Amazon uses Python to create internal tools and dashboards that help teams monitor performance, analyze data, and manage workflows. These tools are essential for maintaining efficiency across Amazon's vast operations. For example, data analysts use Python-based dashboards to visualize customer behavior and identify trends. Engineers rely on Python tools to track server health and troubleshoot issues. Amazon's broader technology stack. While Python is an essential part of Amazon's tech stack, it's not the only language the company relies on. Amazon's infrastructure is built using a mix of programming languages, each chosen for specific use cases. C++, used for performance-critical systems, such as search engine algorithms and recommendation engines. Java, a core language for large-scale enterprise applications and Android app development. Golang, developed by Google but widely used at Amazon for high-performance backend systems. JavaScript and TypeScript power the front-end interfaces of Amazon.com and other customer-facing platforms. Perl and Ruby, occasionally used for legacy systems and specific scripting tasks. This diverse tech stack allows Amazon to optimize its operations by selecting the best tool for each job. Why Amazon's use of Python matters. For developers and aspiring programmers, Amazon's reliance on Python is a testament to the language's power and relevance. Here's why this matters. Number 1, Python is industry validated. Amazon's extensive use of Python demonstrates that the language isn't just for beginners or small-scale projects. It's a language trusted by one of the most successful companies in the world to power critical parts of its infrastructure. Number 2, opportunities for Python developers. As Amazon continues to expand its services and develop new technologies, the demand for skilled Python developers remains high. Whether you're working directly at Amazon or building applications on AWS, Python is a valuable skill that can open doors to exciting opportunities. Number 3, a path for beginners. Python's simplicity makes it an excellent language for beginners, but its versatility ensures that learning it can lead to advanced careers in fields like data science, AI, and cloud computing. Amazon's use of Python highlights its importance in cutting-edge technology. So, is Amazon written in Python? The answer is partially. While Amazon's vast infrastructure relies on a variety of programming languages, Python is a key player in many of its critical operations. From powering AWS and automating processes to driving machine learning and AI innovations, Python's role at Amazon is both significant and impactful. For anyone learning Python, Amazon's use of the language should serve as inspiration. Python is a tool that can take you far, whether you're developing applications, analyzing data, or contributing to the next big innovation. By mastering Python, you're equipping yourself with a skill that's valued not just at Amazon, but across the entire tech industry. So keep coding, keep learning, and who knows? One day, you might find yourself building the future of Amazon with Python.